In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up footer on Kajabi. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional footer that helps visitors navigate, find your socials, and understand who you are, all without cluttering your page. First, head to your dashboard and go to Website, then Pages. This is where all of your site pages live. Choose an existing page you want to work with or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once the page editor opens, look to the sidebar and click Footer. That opens the dedicated footer area so you can build and customize it. Next, click Add Content. You'll see a set of footer blocks you can insert, like a logo, a menu or link list, social icons, and a copyright block. Add only what you need so the footer stays tidy and useful. For example, a logo helps reinforce your brand. A menu provides quick access to key pages, social icons connect people to your profiles, and a copyright line sets a professional tone. Now configure each block. For the logo block, upload your image file and size it so it's clear but not overwhelming. For the menu or link list, choose an existing navigation menu. If you don't have one yet, create a simple menu with your most important links, like Home, About, and Contact. For social icons, paste the full URLs to your profiles so each icon actually clicks through. For copyright, write a short, clean line. Include the current year and your brand name. With your blocks in place, adjust the appearance. Pick a background color and text color with strong contrast for readability. Tweak the layout so spacing feels balanced and the footer doesn't compete with your main content. Many templates let you fine-tune desktop and mobile separately. If available, check mobile settings to adjust spacing or hide overly dense elements on smaller screens. The goal is consistency with your brand and clarity for your visitors. When everything looks good, save your changes and publish the page. The footer will now appear on that page. Preview it to make sure it reads well, links work, and it looks great on both desktop and mobile. If you want the same footer on other pages, repeat these steps for each page so your site feels cohesive. That's it. Your Kajabi footer is set up, on brand, and helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing the rest of your site.